Today we are going to install a Superleggera Wing on this beautiful 2007 Lamborghini Gallardo. And you are helping. It's finally time to unbox the new wing for the Lamborghini. So again, the issue I'm having is that the spoiler or wing is showing, very bad signs of flaking. So I got a new one from RSC Tuning, shipped it to me recently, and now I have finally some time to actually put this on this car. Okay, here it is. So let's put it next to the old one. Oh. Okay. Now let's look at the difference. Oh yeah, this will look so much better. We have the actual camera cover. So which I will be using because I do have a backup camera. Okay, the camera cover is off, so now I have to remove everything before I move on to the next step. Okay, camera module disconnected. Okay, next up we gotta pop the engine cover. Okay, now in order to get the rest of the wing off, we have to take off a bunch of screws all the way around the cover here in order to get to these bolts. Okay, a little update. So I removed more screws than anticipated, removed all of these, and on the other side as well, and I just figured out that I actually have to remove some more because the feet of the wing go really deep in and the screws are hard to reach. You have really far inside, so I almost have to take this whole cover off, which will be a pain in the butt. Okay, another update. So it looks like I actually have to remove these, whatever this is, in order to get the main bulb that is deep inside, which actually bolts the wing to the engine lid. Okay, we finally have access to the actual feet of the wing, so we're going to remove these screws next. Okay, let's see if we can lift off the wing, and okay, there we go. Now we just have to disconnect the wires as they feed through, and we are going to do that next. So it's one day later and I'm still working on the wing. Yesterday I ran into a small issue and this is it. So I basically was unable to get this third brake light out of the wing, and really tried everything. So what I did was I posted on the forum called Lamborghini Talk, and this is a forum full with Lamborghini owners, technicians, enthusiasts, and somebody told me how to get the third brake light off. So the way you do it is there are these little covers on each side, and if you're lucky they have not been glued on, and you can basically just get them out with your fingernails. So not sure if I can do that on camera, but basically this is really all you have to do. Try to get them out without breaking anything, but yeah, let's see if I can get one out. while I'm filming. So the first one popped off, and as you can see there's a screw in there, and the same thing is true for the other side. So I will remove this side, remove the screws, and hopefully I can just slide this whole brake light out. Okay, there we go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the wing is finally off the car. That wasn't too bad. So this one will go away and it will be replaced by the new one. So I hope this was informative. I will install the new one right now. I'm not sure if I'm going to film anything about it, because basically I'm just doing everything in reverse. But if I come across anything that's noteworthy, I will film it for you guys. Let's do it. One thing that I quickly wanted to show is the screws. I'm not sure if you can see that. There's a whole screw hole down there. So now it's clear. So basically you have to drill these screws through, because those holes down here do not come pre-drilled. Okay, let's do a quick check if the brake light works. And it lights up. Okay guys, wing is finally installed and looks amazing, and I think even Mocha likes it.